different implants, plate nail combos. We haven't talked about it yet, but we see it in other areas of the body, like distal femur fractures. So sometimes that could be combined here too. Sorry, the heck. And so you can see here, it's a combination, especially if you're dealing with like a shaft above and then a pilon, especially for these higher energy injuries. So you got to have all the tools in the toolbox. And this is just, getting ready. Like here, was it reduced to Pilon, and this was a Pilon light, and then you can just fix the main fracture with the nail. So it's just different options. Unreconstructable. Sorry, going so fast, but basically, if the joint's destroyed, this is where I think a TTC nail is very helpful. I've gone more to doing this now, and for some patients, is acute fusion or acute TTC nail as well. So I think, maybe, it's kind of, if we try to reconstruct it with multiple plates and screws, multiple hours of surgery, it might be better just to try to fuse it and, do the last surgery first. So, and this is just a primary tibial talar you can do as well. The patient had bad soft tissues, so it was done from the back through a blade plate here. So this is another useful tool that people can have. So, but there's actually now some companies are making posterior Pilon plates for fusions for patients with bad soft tissues. So,
which is kind of nice because, those plates seem to be fairly robust and the soft tissues are fairly traumatized. And so you're kind of fighting things if you have a big, thick plate in there. But if you have the option to go posterior, I think that definitely is going to work in your favor, because now you have a bigger soft tissue envelope and you can still use a pretty beefy plate for it.
Yeah, no, exactly. So I think we're going to see more in the coming years about primary ankle arthrodesis for these patients.
I think so too.
I think we're seeing some literature out on it, and I think it's just now companies are definitely seeing the need, because there's multiple companies that make a Pilon fusion plate. So more to come on that, I'm sure.